Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Many lawyers use standard text, like a confidentiality notice, in their emails and then simply make minor editing changes to the text to suit the situation. Whenever you have text you insert and use repeatedly in your email, you can save it as a quick part in Outlook. This lets you insert it easily into future emails without having to retype it in its entirety or copy and paste it from another email. This also reduces the possible risk of exposing confidential client information in the process. Note that for quick parts to be available in Outlook, you must also have Word installed on your computer from the same Microsoft Office installation. However, Word does not have to be set as your default email editor in Outlook to use quick parts. To create a quick part in Outlook, type the text to save as a quick part into the body of an email in its unedited, meaning not personalized state. Then select all the text to save as a quick part. This content can include pictures, text, or any other content you can insert into an email. After selecting the content, click the Insert tab of the ribbon in the message window. Then click the Quick Parts button in the Text button group. Then select the Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Create New Building Block dialog box. In this dialog box, type a new name for the selected text into the name field if desired. You can enter a description of the text into the Description text box if you wish. In addition, you can use the Options drop-down to select how you want Outlook to insert the content into a message in the future. After making the changes to the settings you want to keep, click the OK button to save the quick part. Also note you should click the Yes button if prompted later to save your building block when exiting the Outlook program. To insert a saved quick part into an email in Outlook, place the insertion mark cursor at the location at which to insert the information. Then click the Quick Parts button that appears in the Text button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon in the message window. Then click the name of the quick part to insert from the drop-down menu that appears to place its content into your message. Then simply edit it as needed for your message.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.